I'm serious, Doreen.
Come on, what are you going to do?
We don't need an audience. I respect your right to choose your friends. I respect your right to even challenge me. I don't know what Kaz has been feeding you, but...
I can think for myself. We all can. We don't need you deciding what's best. The panic button was put here for our safety. And if you don't let us press it, then that means you don't give a stuff about our welfare.
It's not true. Don't do that, Doreen.
Oh, and what if I do? Hey, what are you going to do? Bash me? You going to burn my hand? What? Come on, I want to know.
Don't press it. You shouldn't have done that. It was an accident.
Yeah, well, thanks to you, we have to stay back and check every single unit.
This is a security breach, ladies. If someone was hurt, we wouldn't know where to start looking.
Won't happen again, Mr. Jackson.
J-block, cleared and in lockdown.
H block clear.
B, I should put you through the wall.
Go on then.
You want to hang out with the freak? You be my guest. But don't you ever, ever disobey me again.